do not assume that people will follow you, people will buy your product because you are a perfect person. No. In fact, people would like to feel that they are just like you. That is why in my story, I don't know kung narinig po ninyo or nabasa ninyo from my emails or ebooks or in the past webinar, I tell people I'm not smart. I tell people na yes, nakagraduate po ako ng college, pero engineering, pero I took it more than 6 years. I tell people that I'm not smart. I tell people na ang mga magulang ko po ay hindi nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral. High school lang po ang narating ng mga magulang ko. Sino po sa inyo rito na yung parents niyo ay nakarating ng college? Can you type yes? Nakatungtong ng college or nakagraduate ng college. Yung mga magulang po ninyo. You see? Marami sa inyo. Either nakatungtong or nakagraduate ng college. Ang magulang ko po hindi. Tipong probinsyano po. Nagsipag. Back in the 80s, yung tatay ko, medyo malakas ang Saudi Arabia. Nag-OFW po ang tatay ko ng 10 years. Kaya po nakapag-aral kami ng private school. Nag-vocational lang. Nagbasa-basa ng libro about electrical, na hire. Ganun lang po. So I tell these people, I tell my limitations. I tell people that I have ADHD. I mean, I have attention deficit problem. Hirap po ako maupo, maghapon, makikinig. Hirap po ako. Sinasabi ko, hindi ako magaling sa English. Now, some of you, maybe you feel na, hindi, medyo magaling ka naman, Sir Jon. Well, maybe because through the years, I'm in Canada, pero English ko, grammar ko, like how many times I've been bashed on Facebook dahil mali po yung grammar ko and spelling ko. Kung wala na kayo nakikita ngayon, dahil pinadidelete ko na sa staff ko. Because in the beginning, it's draining my energy. Whenever I hear and see about this, it's draining my energy until a point, wait, ba't ako nagpapa-apekto? Kaya nga mapapansin po ninyo, lahat po ng superheroes, particularly the big ones, anong weakness ni Superman? There we go, kryptonite. Anong weakness ni Spider-Man? Yes, loved ones, immaturity ni Spider-Man. He really, in the beginning, he doesn't really want to commit becoming a superhero. Iron Man. Anong weakness ni Iron Man? Mayabang, arrogante, babaero, malaki ang ego. That's right. Everyone has weaknesses. Mas nagiging relatable tayo ron. So if you will drop the idea that, okay, for me to succeed in this business is I must have this super ultra successful. No. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.